Hello viewers, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to see how to make restaurant style crispy corn at home. Craving something crunchy and delicious? Try this crispy corn recipe, a perfect evening snack that's quick, easy and bursting with flavor. Made with simple ingredients, this snack is sure to be eaten with both kids and adults. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients: sweet corn, water, corn flour, maida, pepper powder, salt, onion and coriander leaves. Preparation method: take a pan and add sweet corn 2 cup and add water as per your need and boil it for few minutes. Then take a bowl and add corn flour 2 teaspoon and add maida 2 teaspoon and add pepper powder of teaspoon and add salt as per your need and add the boiled sweet corn and we need to mix it well. Take a pan and add oil and heat it and move the sweet corn mixture to the pan and fry it for few minutes. Take a serving plate and add the crispy corn and garnish with chopped onion and chopped coriander leaves. Restaurant style crispy corn is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.